Let's ride.
All right, yeah, I got up to my little area I like to go to and do my videos. There's nobody usually up here. I can take my mask off and you can hear me clearly. But yeah, this is the Hulkster. I call it the Hulkster. The Rad Rover 5. It, like I told you before, this is beast. This baby is a beast, just like the Hulk is. And it can get up and go. So anyway, today's video is on whether or not you should get a skid plate for your Rad Rover if you do have one. Now, if you notice about the Rad Rover I have here now, and if you ever seen any of my previous videos, which I only have a couple of them, but anyway, you notice I didn't have this thing right here, which is called a skid plate. Right here. That there is to protect all of this wiring, if you could see that there. If I can get a close-up for you. This wiring that's right in there, that is to protect your wiring from branches, trees, rocks, any type of projectile type of debris that you may be riding on in a trail, and it protects those wires. I have had sticks come up and hit me in the foot, and hit it pretty hard actually. And I wear leather shoes while I'm riding because you can get projectiles that hit your feet, and you do need something to protect your feet if you're riding on trails, especially if you have stuff like this on trails, like this big old stick here, and there's other sticks on the ground, and some areas are kind of rockier than others. Some have larger rocks, but there's certain areas that you do have projectiles that can actually hit you in the foot and hurt you. So you have to be very careful. Not only that, but it can hurt your bike, and which is a major investment. These bikes here are on sale actually not on sale, but for sale online for about $1,600. I did an upgrade to this, put a new battery, new display, and a new motor, stronger motor in it, and actually a true 750 motor. And this gets me that cost me a little bit as well, so that have increased the value of my bike as well. So yeah, you want to protect your investment. So this skid plate, which is put here on the bottom, which you can buy these offline. I made, you can see how it connects to the two holes that normally the water bottle bracket would be in. Well, this skid plate is shaped in a way to where it goes all the way underneath, protects the wiring, as you can see there, and it protects it from debris or any projectiles that want to hit your bike. So yeah, I would actually encourage you to get a skid plate, because you don't want anything to break those wires and cause you to have some problems as you're riding. It could shut your whole system down, and then now you're forced trying to ride a 70-pound bike from wherever you're at back to safety or home. So I highly encourage it. Definitely think you should do so. Let me give you a shot on the other side as well, so you can see what that looks like, kind of up close. And let's try to see that there. It goes all the way down underneath, protects all of that wiring, anything that shoots up there. Here's some ties on the side here that push the back of the skid plate up and give it more of a secure fit, so that way no rocks or anything can damage your system, because that basically it ties all the electricity to your system and your motor. So you definitely need a skid plate. I highly recommend it. They're very easy to install. They come with these cushions that are already right here that kind of support itself up against the rim. There's two more here at the bottom. You could probably see right there my finger pointed at. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's two more there, and they sit up against the rim of the bike as well. So that way it gives a good support on your bike to protect it from any projectiles. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. Get one. I think it's encouraged to do so that you can protect your investment. That's exactly what I wanted to do, is protect my investment. But that's it. This video for today. May take you for a little quick ride real quick just to show you where I'm at. Well, No, I won't be, only because I got to wear that mask and I have to put it back on. That means I have to get around people. But this is the Rad Rover. This is my toy. Get yourself a toy if you during the pandemic time. You definitely need something to play with while you're at home. So we're not restricted to stay in the house at least that much to where we can't get out and ride our bikes. So I highly recommend that you get yourself a toy. These will be the perfect toys to give you some exercise. It gets you out of the house. You're able to go play and go, and you might as well explore the trails or the neighborhoods that are around your home and in your area, your backyard, so to speak. So that way, you'll know exactly what's around you, and have fun doing it at the same time. And it gets you out of the house. If you can afford it, get yourself one. Get your wife or husband one or whatever. Your children, well, they could ride their bikes, but anyway, yeah, get one. Highly recommend it. Rad Rover, okay? If it's not a Rad Rover, some kind of electric bike would be good as well. All right, hope you do so. Hope your day is safe as you're staying at home during this pandemic times. You and your family stay safe, and God bless you. And see you on the next video. Bye-bye.